I'm gonna pull this DVD player and this on there, so. There we go. A long time school ago.
Trying to have a pleasant change. My stepdad. You ever think about just killing him? Totally. Shall we?
I've been on all of these sites. No one even looks at the profile. His picture is all that matters, and I'm sick of it. Thank you for that pep talk. Thank you. I've always wanted to be undeniably pretty. You hit your head pretty hard. That's me. Yes. I'm beautiful.
Change the way you see yourself.
I can eat whatever I want and still look like this. Shout out to my genetic makeup.
I feel pretty.
I have a rare genetic condition called XP. I can't go out in the sun. Like, I could die.
Hey, you wouldn't want to do something sometime, would you?
I'm busy during the day.
Like be free at night? Does he know?
I haven't told him yet.
Tell him the truth. He deserves that.
We were never gonna work.
Well, we're not the couple who doesn't try.
Midnight sun. Medical marijuana is already a multi-billion-dollar industry. The future is sweet, though. Still not sure about this.
Look, most people will tell you Buzz Aldrin walked on the moon. But even a complete idiot will tell you Neil Armstrong did it first. And do you know why he went first? Because he pushed Buzz Aldrin out of the way.
I'm satisfied.
STX presents.
Look, man, you're in some deep water, Harold. Like bankruptcy, Dave.
Damn, cash flow.
No, I'm saying you're poor.
Harold! Tomorrow, you can apply to Mexico. What? We want you to hand deliver the weed pill formula to the lab.
Buenos dias. I know I'm not supposed to touch the minibar, but I'm going to do it. You know, I don't even care anymore. I'm doing it. I'm having the money.
Wait! What's going on?
I've been kidnapped. I am somewhere in Mexico with a gun to my head.
What a crybaby.
Harold, I'm just gonna spit this out.
El jefe.
We sold a little product to the cartels, but when we cut them off, they got a little angry.
We gotta get him out really quickly.
I know a guy.
I tracked down Dick Teddersback to find a guy in middle management.
What do they want?
They want $5 million.
What? Pesos?
What is that?
Injectable microchip. I need to keep tracking.
I don't like needles.
Can't scare me with tales of the big bad cartels. I don't know if things work.
Not in Mexico.
That's Harold.
Harold?
Bingo.
You really believe in God?
Of course I believe in God. What kind of person does not believe in God?
I guess I kinda do, but not.
Gringo.
Things are gonna start to get better for you. Trust me, I have good instincts.
Let's go.
by the Class Fish and Raymond Instruction. Go do your film song on PAA.org.
Okay, you're gonna love it. Happy first day of school.